अगर अल्लाह ताला ने इसको क्रिएट किया तो इसकी हिफाजत, इसकी तरक्की, इसकी खुशहाली भी अल्लाह ताला करे।
निकम्मे, नाअहल, निखट्टू, करप्ट, बददियानत, मनहूस, दोज़खी टोला नवाज शरीफ के समधी साहब कैसे बेइज्जती करवा रहे हैं। इंडिया वालों को भी तरस आ चुका है कि दुश्मनी बाद में देखेंगे, अभी पाकिस्तान को फाइनेंशियली ज़रूरत है और हमारे आर्मी सरबराहान साहब अभी भी इस नाजायज़ हुकूमत की वकालत करते फिर रहे हैं। ये वीडियो देखें और अपने मुल्क के निज़ाम के सिस्टम पर मातम करें। आपसे गुजारिश है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा।
So Ishaq Dar, the finance minister of Pakistan, saying that Pakistan's economic prosperity and finances are Allah bharose, upon Allah, pretty much washing his hands off the system. 262 Pakistani rupees to a dollar. Let's get a word in from Pakistan. Shifa Yusufzai is a well-known Pakistani journalist. Shifa, thanks for being with us. The finance minister of Pakistan, saying these things, Shifa, on a day when the Pakistani rupee has hit 262 rupees to a dollar.
When the Pakistan Supreme Nawaz and its allied party, when they were not in power, they used to claim that Ishaq Dar is the person who can revive Pakistan's economy, and Ishaq Dar is the person who can bring the dollar lower than 200 rupees per dollar. So when he came to the power, there was a constant infighting between the leading political party, the ruling party actually, for PMLN, and their first finance minister, Mr. Ismail. He used to claim that I am going to fix the economy. Then there were people who used to support Ishaq Dar, and they wanted him in power in the finance ministry. So when Ishaq Dar came back to power, so I am just going to share a statement from the previous finance minister, Mr. Ismail Saab. He says that it is Ishaq Dar's responsibility that Pakistan's economy is crashing like this.